Hello dear followers of the channel and welcome to my channel. Before we jump into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. Your support means everything to me. Yağmur greatly surprised Barış Baktaş by saying, I am engaged. Yağmur and Barış Baktaş, two beloved actors in Turkey, have shocked the magazine world with a surprising announcement. Yağmur's unexpected engagement revelation left fans ecstatic as the couple officially made their love known to the world, keeping the engagement under wraps for a while. Yağmur surprised everyone with the joyful news while fans celebrated the engagement. The real surprise and emotional moments came for Barış Baktaş, who was initially shocked but soon overwhelmed with happiness. In a joint statement, the couple expressed their gratitude for the love and support from their fans, sharing their joy of starting this new chapter together. This surprising news has been the talk of the town, bringing joy to fans and showcasing the couple's enduring love. As we come to the end of another video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you enjoyed. Take care and until next time, bye bye.